Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos or the Bugs collection. It is none other than the Escarabajo Unicorne or the Unicorn Beetle. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below, and guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. Oh, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs, and we have a picture of the Escarabajo Unicorne or the Unicorn Beetle. He looks really cool. And here it says, learn everything about the Rhino Beetle or the Rhinoceros Beetle. So let's open this up. Alright, so it gives the scientific name there. It gives a description. It tells you a little bit about their habitat, as well as other observations. It gives a picture of the slide, which I will show you in just a minute, and it just points out their antenna, their legs, their horn, of course. And well guys, let's continue on. Here up at the top it says Rhinoceros Beetles. So guys, we're gonna learn all about Rhinoceros Beetles. Look at that guy, he's massive. Look at his horn. Look at these guys. So this is their larva. Their larva is like gigantic. And then look at him. He's crazy. He's like gold and black, and he has this giant thing sticking out of his face. Giant horn, I should say. It's crazy. Look at that. And well, these guys love to live in the woods, of course. I think most bugs like to live in the woods. Or at least that's always been my experience. And well, you guys tell me, which of these beetles do you like the most? You have this one, which is like the one we saw on the other page, that's like black and gold. They have this one that's like a purplish brown. This one that's like black. This one. It looks really cool. And then you have this one too, which is like red. It probably won't surprise you guys to know this is my favorite one. I like the gold that he has on the outside. That's pretty cool. Well, here are their main habitats, which you can see there. So these guys, as I was saying before, are like giant, but they're pacifist. They don't want to bug nobody. They just want to eat poop and not get eaten. That's basically what these guys do. And well guys, tell me, what do you guys think about this collection? That's a really cool picture. I really like it a lot. It's cool to see all of these different bugs. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And well guys, let's see. We have a bit more. Very cool. And here we have the puzzles at the end. And well guys, that's the end of that. Back to the front. And now it's time to check out our brand new unicorn beetle. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out our brand new unicorn beetle. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out our brand new unicorn beetle. He's very big. I'm going to show you the side. There you can see why he's called a unicorn with that horn there. With that horn there. There's his back. And his other side. There's his front. Let's see if we can't. Oh, you can't get much of his face there. Maybe if I turn it a bit. Well, there you go. There you can see his face. So there's his face. And then there is the underside of him. And well guys, tell me, what do you guys think about our brand new beetle? I think he looks really cool. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, be sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.